DIY Glowing Rose Petal Hydra Facial. Unveil radiant skin at home. In the pursuit of radiant and healthy skin, incorporating natural ingredients can work wonders. Among these, rose petals stand out not only for their delicate fragrance but also for their skincare benefits. Creating a DIY glowing Hydra facial using rose petals allows you to pamper your skin affordably and effectively at home. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting your own luxurious facial treatment. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Fresh rose petals, preferably organic to avoid pesticide, distilled water. Aloe, vera gel or juice. Honey, preferably raw, optional. Essential oils like rosehip or lavender for added fragrance and benefits. Step 2. Preparation. Thoroughly wash the rose petals to remove any dirt or residue. In a saucepan, bring distilled water to a gentle boil. Add the rose petals and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the petals lose their color. Step 3. Create the rose petal infusion. Remove the saucepan from heat and allow the mixture to cool. Strain the rose petals, preserving the infused water. Transfer the rose petal water into a clean bowl and let it cool. Further, Step 4. Blend your facial mixture. In a blender or using a mortar and pestle, blend the cooled rose petals with aloe vera gel or juice and honey. Adjust quantities to achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. Step 5. Application. Cleanse your face thoroughly before application. Pat dry with a towel. Apply the rose petal mixture evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Relax and let the facial mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to penetrate and nourish your skin. Step 6. Rinse and hydrate. Rinse off the facial mixture with lukewarm water. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. Step 7. Enjoy the glow. Marvel at your refreshed, glowing complexion. Courtesy of the natural benefits of rose petals, which help hydrate, soothe, and rejuvenate the skin. Benefits of rose petals for skin hydration. Rose petals are packed with natural oils and sugars that help maintain moisture in the skin. Anti-inflammatory, they possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. Antioxidants, rich in antioxidants, rose petals protect the skin against damage from free radicals. Aromatherapy, the gentle fragrance of roses can promote relaxation and elevate mood during your skincare routine. By incorporating this DIY glowing Hydra facial into your skincare regimen regularly, you can achieve a luminous complexion while indulging in the therapeutic benefits of roses. Embrace the natural power of botanicals for healthier, happier skin right from the comfort of your home.